Well, first few reviews of the movie suggest that Kabali has lived up to the larger-than-life expectations of Thalaivar's fans. The movie seems to have just the right amount of emotion, drama, romance, and rides high on Rajnikant's statement mannerisms and style quotient. What comes as a pleasant surprise is that the ticket prices, at least here at Aurora Talkies in Matunga, which is considered to be the bastion for Thalaivar's fans, have remained minimal, ranging between 110 to 150 rupees per ticket. Also, there haven't been any corporate bookings as of now at this theatre, so that leaves a large room for Thalaivar's regular fans to see the movie in the coming days. What also comes as a pleasant surprise is the fact that Mumbai fans of Thalaivar have remained largely peaceful. There have been absolutely no untoward incidents. There is no deployment of police in order to maintain law and order. There have been a few traffic snarls, but that's acceptable to one and all. As you can see behind me, people are just gearing up for the third show of the day. Usually at this theatre, there are just two shows that are available for Tamil movies. But since it's Rajnikant that we are talking about, it is this theatre is going to see at least 5 screenings. So whatever be the reviews, whatever be the ticket prices, one thing is for sure. Kabali was set to be a blockbuster right from its inception. I'm now being joined by a few lucky fans who've been able to catch a glimpse of Thalaivar's Kabali on the first day itself. My first question to you, ma'am, how was the movie?
Movie was class, very nice.
What was the best part about the movie?
Rajini, obviously. It's all about Rajini and the style. I love the stylization of the movie.
I believe he's shared sizzling chemistry with Radhika Apte. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, of course, he looks very handsome, and Radhika also give a very good expressions for the movie. So it's really nice, and he rocks.
I believe the last few scenes of the movie are quite emotional, and they bring about, a raging emotions in everybody from the audience. What do you have to say about that part of it?
Yeah, it was, but not that much. But yeah, we loved watching him, the way he smiles, and in spite of being really acted so well.
A lot is being said about the look of Rajnikant in the movie, and it's being said that it's nice for a change that he's playing his age. Yeah. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah. It's very convincing also, and he has done it very well. He has lived up to the whole role.
So, how much do you think the movie is going to garner in terms of money?
Oh, it's already shattered records. It's going to shatter all records for sure.
Do you think that online leaks of the movie are going to affect moviegoers in any way?
No way. You can see the response here. Everyone's going to watch it in the theater. His movies are meant to be watched in the theater.
So, ma'am, are you going to come and see the movie again, Kabali Da? Is it going to be a repeat for you?
Definitely, now in Hindi, for sure. Yes.
Yeah, sure, in Hindi.
How much do you think the movie is going to make? Do you have a figure that you can tell us?
No, but Rajini sir is always a hit, so it will be a hit.
So a blockbuster, whether it's the first screening or the second, blockbuster is the word for Kabali. With camera person Sunil Ved, this is Hardeep Duggal for India Today.